down the hill. Alright, it is 9 o'clock. Well,
So,
Jan, and we're gonna go do Wright Peak. We're gonna ski it. It's like flying up the Northway at 90 with a radar detector. They're all on your ass. It is 10:20. Where are we?
we are at the base of the Wright Peak Ski Trail.
She's in puking up here.
I think I found my new commentators. I'm done. I'm just a videographer now. Alright. Alright, we're getting to the top here. Beautiful. Guide's like, yeah, trail gets a little dicey. Nobody ever comes up this way. I'm in. Send it. Sounds like right there.
Okay.
I'm right, and we are leaving. Plus, we got some powder ski on the way down. All 5 inches. Commit. Commit. Pizza, pizza, pizza. This is why. That's why you don't vlog and send it down hills. She's in with me. I was just telling the viewers, this is why you don't vlog and
It's like the second one.
don't join me. Those things look dangerous.
Where are they? Woo! Go, baby, go!
Pedestrian traffic, that's Saturday highway, and we're gonna get some frozen pizza. So, let's do
I
it.
think Jan convinced us. Jan, what's your review for today?
In a word, epic!
Send it?
Almost saved it.
I got it on tape though.
Thanks.
I'm loving this.
I ski right.
Red light on?
Red light's on.
He's like right on my ass when I went.
Well, this he like ducked under one tree, and then there was a down tree that his tip slammed right into. No, all skis are rock skis.
Yes, YouTubers.
Yeah.
Heck yes. Oh, that was so good, dude.